Hey, let's dive into how to add a price table from Make. I'll walk you through step by step. Let's start by parsing the JSON. Simply click on Parse JSON. You'll need to add the scripts. Don't worry, we'll also include the JSON scripts in our guide for your convenience. This is the script. You can find the syntax for each element added, such as tax, sum, quantity, etc. Now let's move on to the next step. Aggregate to JSON. Here, click the options and choose Edit and add the specifications as price and collection as type, and start adding all the elements that we have added in the JSON. Name of the item. Value will be the sum. Type will be the payment type. Item discount. Discount that can be added for each item separately. List. Quantity and its type. Duration will be the number of months. Show total. If you want to show the total. Total text. Text of the total can be changed. Show subtotal. Text of the subtotal can be changed. You can show the total before the tax. Subtotal before tax text can be changed. Tax. Item discount type. Text of tax can be changed. Currency. Discount. Text of discount can be changed. Discount and tax type. In this video, we've added every elements that are present in our sample JSON sums. You can refer this video when you add an item. Now click Save. Now the added specifications will be shown here. You have to map the output from the previous parse JSON. We have the option to show or hide the total subtotal and the total before tax. Click the Yes or No button to show or hide. And also, we can change the text of the total subtotal and total before tax. You can change the discount type to number or percent. Similarly, the tax type can also be added. The total, subtotal, total before tax text can also be added. The next step would be Parse JSON. Click on it. Now add the previous step to the JSON string. The next step would be Array Aggregator. Click on it and choose the price and JSON string. The final step will be Prospero module, create a proposal. Now add the details such as proposal type, project name, client name, email ID. Choose any custom template proposal or leave it as empty. Select type of pricing as table and under price value type, map array price. This will be the syntax. You can enable the structured table. Click Yes or No. If you click Yes, you can change this name. You can change the deliverable, price, and quantity name. Here, you have to add the connection to your Prospero account. Enter your email and password of your Prospero account. And click Save. Once it gets connected, click OK. You can also add the payment type from the JSON by entering whether it is a monthly or a one-time or annual. Now run the scenario. You can go to your Prospero account and open the proposal to check if the price table is being added. And there you have it. Thank you for watching, and happy integrating.